First, select your image layer, then go to the selection tool and choose the selection brush tool. Resize your brush and make sure you're on add mode. Now gently brush over your character's face. If you need to remove extra areas, hold Alt and brush to subtract. Once you're done, press Ctrl+J to extract the selection onto a new layer. Press Ctrl+D to deselect. Switch to the Move tool and slightly resize the head of your character. Now go to Pixel, then Filters and choose Liquify. Select the Liquify Push Forward tool, resize your brush and gently make the eyes of your character bigger. When you're happy with the result, click Apply, and that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe.